Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and thanks for tuning in to check out this very awesome 2022 TRD Off-Road Premium 4Runner that I took in on trade. I don't keep very many trade-ins. They have to meet a pretty high standard for me to keep them, and this one definitely met my standards. This thing is absolutely awesome and built to the hilt. 2022 Off-Road Premium, classic silver over black interior, very hard-loaded premium. This thing's got about as many goodies as you can get before jumping up to a limited. This thing is hard-loaded. 38,000 original miles. It's a 2-owner car, local Utah car. This has been in Utah its entire life, and it's awesome. The guy that traded this in bought a Tundra from me. The Tundra he bought was very built, so he was going from a very built 4Runner to a very built Tundra, but definitely a guy that knew his stuff, and he did this one right. So I was super excited about this one. Obviously, it's pretty built. We'll get to all the goodies here in a minute, but as far as the condition of the car goes, it's very clean. Paint and body are in terrific condition. It's got this little scratch here on the fender flare. That's really kind of it's really about the only thing on the paint and on the body. It's in really good shape. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no damage history, no dings, no dents. The body is just laser straight. No accidents, no paint work. Everything's all original. They did a good job doing the cutout on the bumper and the fender for the front bumper. This thing has an awesome service history. 28 service records on the Carfax. For a 38,000 mile car, that is very impressive. Dealer service its entire life, so been very well cared for and maintained. And like I mentioned, the guy that traded this in definitely knew his stuff, very fanatical, was the kind of guy that you want to buy a car that he owned. He's definitely the right previous owner. So and yeah, this thing is just built to the hilt. So very clean underneath. Not a California car, but it's a very clean Utah car. No rust or corrosion. Frame rails are nice and clean. It's got some rack sliders on it that are heavy duty. I don't know what brand they are. They're not branded. But no rust, no corrosion, very clean underneath. We'll get to all of the stuff in just a second, but wanted to give you kind of the quick undercarriage walk around here. The VIN number stamped on the frame there. Frame is as clean as can be, nice and smooth, no rust, no corrosion. Still has the original stickers and everything back here on the rear diff. So very clean, used but not abused. Now, for all of the goodies, let's start talking about all of the goodies before we move inside. Front bumper. This is, I believe, a move front bumper. This one comes with the nice skid plate and everything. It has an X-Bowl winch, so well set up with the front bumper and the winch. This has kinetic dynamic suspension. So this has the Dr. KDSS kit, which is awesome for dropping the sway bar. This still gives you the same articulation and everything you would have standard. Anytime you're going with the bigger lift, this is about a 3.5 inch setup. With the kinetic dynamic suspension, this is the setup to go with right here. Very nice, gives you the same factory geometry and articulation that you had stock. Elevate upper control arms. And the shocks and struts that are on this thing, you guys, is about as nice of a setup as you can get. This has the Dobinson setup on it. Remote reservoir on the front and the back, so this is their remote res setup. Awesome ride quality. This is higher end stuff. I've only ever actually had a few with the Dobinson stuff. It is really good stuff. So remote res front and back. And then the elevated upper control arms. Up top, we've got a Prinsu Low Pro rack. We've got an Overland Vehicle Systems 270-degree awning. This is their nomadic 270-degree awning. Has the matching Prinsu ladder up here that goes with the rack. In fact, you have the nice little sun shining through there, so you've got your Prinsu logo from the sun. Then up top, we've got, this is a Nature Nest hard shell tent. So this is the hard shell one. Let me hop up here so you can see it. Very nice tent setup. This is one of their easy ones. Like, these tents set up in like less than a minute. They're pretty slick. And this is the Polaris series from Nature Nest. So this thing's got a lot of the goodies on it. And then back here in the back, to match the Dobinsons suspension, it's got a nice set of Dobinson drawers. This is their nice like carpeted drawer setup. Very clean. These things, I want to say they're rated for about 250 pounds, so you can put a lot of weight in these things. This one's got the stainless cover that slides over it, so you can use it as a table or whatever. This is the ladder right here in the bag for the tent, to get up to the tent. So well set up with all the Dobinson stuff. Somebody spent some money at Dobinsons on this one. So that's all of the goodies on the outside of this one. Now let's go inside. Let's talk about the interior. Okay, to the interior, you guys. Off-road premium. Carpets are like brand new. This thing still smells new. It's never been smoked in. No pets, no weird smells, no French fries, glazed donuts, or Diet Coke spills. It's extremely clean inside. Has the TRD embroidered headrests and the black with the red stitched leather. Leather wrapped steering wheel is in really, really good shape. Again, as you've probably heard in previous videos, this is always one of the very first things I look at on a car. Obviously, this is the highest #1 touch point in a car. So if the steering wheel is still in good shape and is not all, gross and caked with dead skin, which is what often happens, and all dirty, that's always a good sign. This shows that somebody was clean, somebody took good care of it. Obviously, kind of a big deal for me. This is your 360 camera view, and then this is the kinetic dynamic suspension system switch here. You've got your built-in inverter and your heated windshield wiper squirter there. 38,000 original miles. You've got all of your Toyota safety sense controls here on the steering wheel. So you've got your lane keep assist, forward collision alert, adaptive cruise control. This also has rear cross traffic alert as well, which is nice. Touchscreen infotainment. This does have Apple CarPlay in 2022, so you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 360 camera, as well as the backup and the forward camera, so this one does have the full 360 camera. Push button start. You've got your TRD shift knob here, heated seats on both sides, and your power rear window switch. And we've got our climate controls and everything here, as well as the USB outlet. Armrest and center console, everything's in really good shape. Lots and lots of space, and it has the little drawer that goes on top there. Up top, this is where all the magic is. We've got our HomeLink garage door openers. You've got your A-track. You've got your multi-terrain select here for different road conditions. And the biggest thing is the electronic rear differential lock. So this thing is quite literally set up to go anywhere you want it to go. These are incredibly capable vehicles with the rear diff lock. They go pretty much anywhere. Sunroof controls. Being a premium, you do have a factory sunroof. Moving to the back seat. This one is the 5-passenger, so second row. Again, like I mentioned, very, very, very clean inside. Still smells new. The carpets and the upholstery are in awesome shape. This does have the factory rubber all-weather mats that are included with it. Back of the center console is nice. You've got your USB-C outlets here for people sitting in the back. 60/40 split rear seat. Seat bottom folds up, and then the seat back folds forward to give you all the space you need. In the back here, like we mentioned and showed you a little bit earlier, this has the Dobinson shelves. So those come out on both sides. Those are locking. And then we've got our rooftop tent ladder and that storage bag there. Over on this side, same story as on the other side. Nice, clean, well cared for. This is the 60 side of the 60/40 split folding rear seat. So this is the bigger side here. And again, you can see how nice and clean the carpets are. This thing has not been used hard. It's very, very clean. This wasn't your family hauler for sure. I always like to look and show underneath the seats and in all the little spots and places where most people don't ever go or think about. But you can see, sorry, that little wind burst that came in blew some stuff in here. But you can see how nice and clean the carpets are. This thing is in really, really terrific shape. Door panels are in good shape as well. Power seat over here on the passenger side. Heated seats on both sides. Carpets are nice and clean. And we'll go venture underneath the hood real quick, show you the rest of it. This does have the emblem blackout kit from the dealer, from the factory. So this one's got the blackout emblem package all the way around. These are the original factory headlights. They're still in terrific condition, as you can see. Not all pitted up, not faded. They're in really, really good shape. The whole front end of this car is in great shape. There's no stone chips or road rash. It's very clean and very nice. It's a beautiful thing to see. The 1GR FE. Everybody wishes we still had it, but we don't. 4-liter V6. Awesome, awesome motor. Bulletproof reliability. Toyota used this motor for 21 years in the 4Runner. It's just an amazing, terrific engine. Very clean engine compartment. Same story, you guys. This thing is just nice and clean. It has been used but not abused. It's been very well cared for. 28 service records on the Carfax report from the dealer. Just incredibly well sorted and well taken care of. This is an awesome, awesome 4Runner. So if you are looking for one that is already built, you can get all of this stuff for pennies on the dollar. This is the one you want to be looking at. Been well cared for, was done right, no cut corners, and this is a good one. So obviously, like I mentioned before, I have high standards. I keep very few trade-ins. For me to keep a trade-in, it's got to be all there, and this one is definitely all there. So there you go, you guys. That's our 22 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium, 38,000 miles, built and ready for adventure. Thanks for watching.